I seek refuge from the devil in the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. Dear students, I am Nikhat Naz from Multan Public School and College, Multan. I am your geography and history teacher. Dear students, today we are going to learn a lesson from our history book, The Crusades, Renaissance and Age of Discovery. In this chapter, we will read about Christianity unites Europe, the Crusades, the Renaissance, Leonardo da Vinci, Renaissance changes Europe, the Age of Discovery, discovery of the sea route to India, Portugal leads in explanation, the discovery of America. Dear students, in this chapter we would read about the fall of Constantinople in 1453. Europe entered the period known as the Middle Ages. It is also called the Dark Ages, in which many of the great advancements made by the Greeks and the Romans came to be forgotten. There were frequent attacks of warrior tribes like Vikings, Huns and Vandals who killed. Moreover, Europe lived in a constant war from 7th to 10th centuries. Dear students, now we would see how Christianity united Europe. Dear students, now we would see that how Christianity united Europe. In Europe, Rome became the center of Christianity and church became strong from the 6th century onwards. The Bishop of Rome, the Pope, was considered their leader. In the previous slide, you have seen the picture of Charlemagne. He was a strong Christian ruler from what is now France, defeated the pagan tribes and also supported the Pope. And Christianity gradually spread through Europe. By 1200, Europe was most stable and peaceful, but most of the Christian lands except for Byzantium were quite backward as compared to the Muslim civilization in the Far East. In the meantime, Islamic civilization reached its peak. Dear students, now we would read about the Crusades. Actually, these were the war for the cross, and cross, you know, the symbol of Christianity. Dear students, now we would read about the Crusades. Crusades took place from the end of the 11th century to the end of the 13th century. You know that Crusades means the war of the cross. That is the symbol of the Christians that were fought to win Jerusalem back from the Muslims. Jerusalem is the city that is sacred to the Jews, Christians and the Muslims alike. Jerusalem had been conquered during Hazrat Umar Raziallah Anha's Khilafat, and Christians were allowed to visit their holy sites. But in the 11th century, the situation changed under Seljuk rulers who overran Anatolia. Dear students, you can see the pictures of these 4 crusade wars. There were 4 main crusades from 1096 to 1204. The Christians succeeded in 1099 and controlled Jerusalem till Salahuddin Ayyubi won it back in 1188. However, some towns along the Mediterranean coast of Palestine remained under Christian rule. The later crusades were less about religion and more about conquering and ruling the territories gained by the crusaders. Eventually, in the early 14th century, the Mamluk rulers of Egypt won back the remaining coastal towns of Anatolia and besides other territories. Dear students, now we would read about the Renaissance. This is the period that starts from the 13th century to 16th AD. Renaissance means the rebirth of learning, knowledge and progress in Europe. Dear students, now we would see the important points of the Renaissance. It means the rebirth of learning, knowledge and progress in Europe. People turned again to the art and technology of the ancient Greeks. It started from Italy in 1350 and continued up to 600. The bridge between the medieval and the modern age was Renaissance period. There were so many great advances that were made this era. Dear students, you can see the picture of Leonardo da Vinci from 1452 to 1519. He was the real Renaissance man. Leonardo was the native of Florence. That was the center of Renaissance in Europe. He was a polymath, painter, sculptor, architect, musician, scientist, anatomist, mathematician, engineer and inventor. Leonardo became famous as a painter. Dear students, you can see the portrait of Mona Lisa. It is best known work by Leonardo. Dear students, in this picture you can see the Last Supper. It is also an important portrait of Leonardo. Dear students, you can see the drawings by Leonardo da Vinci. A model of a flying machine based on Da Vinci drawing, and a drawing of a military tank. Drawings showing machines powered by water. Dear students, you can see the picture of Michelangelo. He was another Renaissance artist with versatile skills that included art, painting, architecture as well as poetry. He too came from a place near Florence and later worked in Rome. He is best known for his skills as sculptor and for his paintings. Dear students, this is a painting of the ceiling of Sistine Chapel in Rome. Michelangelo was a famous artist not only in the lifetime but is also called the greatest artist of all his times. These are the pictures of Galileo and Copernicus, who studied astronomy and put forward logical and correct theories about the solar system and the movement of planets. Dear students, in this slide we would see that how Renaissance changed Europe. There were production of experts. The Roman numeral system was replaced by the decimal system. There was discovery of paper making. There was lot of work on medicine, sciences and philosophy. Aristotle's rational and logical approaches to knowledge were appeared. Dear students, now we would read about the age of discovery. You can see the pictures of all the discoveries that were made during that time. Now we would see the important features of the age of discovery. Al-Idrisi's maps and notes inspired land and sea exploration. There was also great improvement in shipbuilding and use of coordinates, astrolabes, clocks and magnetic compass, which was a great help in navigation. Dear students, now we would see the discovery of the sea route to India. There were economic reasons too for these explorations. One of them was to find an alternative sea route for the trade with the East, which the Muslims had dominated so far. The trade in spices was very profitable as they were used to preservatives and to disguise the taste of poorly preserved food as well as for medicine purposes, and looked for trade routes. Dear students, you can see the portrait of Henry. He was known as the navigator. Dear students, now we would see the important points of that age. Portugal was a small country to the west of Spain. There were best ships and navigation techniques. Prince Henry was known as the navigator. They find the easier trade routes. They took over from the Italian and Spanish to find trade routes. There were so many trading routes. And there was also the discovery of Indian Ocean. And one more personality who was called Vasco da Gama, who set sail in 1497 to find Christians and spices in the Indians. Dear students, this is the portrait of Christopher Columbus. who discovered the continent of America. Dear students, now we would read about the discovery of the continent of America. In 1492, Christopher Columbus sailed toward to find an alternate route to India. Not knowing about the landmass of the North and South American continents across the Atlantic Ocean, by sailing west, Columbus thought that he could reach the Indies, which mean India, that is the spice lands, and China more easily than by going east. After several years of trying to get funds, he was helped by King and Queen, who provided him with 3 ships to make the journey. In 1492, Columbus set across the Atlantic Ocean, and when he reached land after a month at sea, he thought that it was Indies. Hence, the island where he landed are called West Indies, and the inhabitants were called West Indians. After 10 years, the world got the confirmation of his discovery. Dear students, in this chapter we have learned about the Crusades, Renaissance and the Age of Discovery. We learned about how Christianity united Europe, about the Crusade Wars, about the era of Renaissance, about Leonardo da Vinci, how Renaissance changed Europe, the Age of Discovery, discovery of the sea route to India, Portugal leads in exploration, and the discovery of America. Dear students, this is all from my side. Now it's your turn to do your work. I have already sent your homework in PDF file. Thank you very much. Take good care of yourself.